Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Paint and Windows Segoe UI in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the where the search option this, and here I will go to the Paint space and space and write the Windows. See here. So when I have write something and I have got the thing, so let's check here. Directly we can get the things, Bluetooth and devices options. I have closed it again. I will go to the, if I don't go or can't remember the thing, go to the settings option, and here the Bluetooth and devices, click here, scrolling below. See, I have got this pen and Windows ink. Here have the right-handed or left-handed pen button shortcuts handwriting. So click here. See here I have got here the handwriting panel settings. So choice how you write and how you text appears when you use the handwriting panel. So click here and I have to select this and this ink free, and I will use Segoe UI. So click here. So see, in this way we can set the Segoe UI from Paint and Windows ink. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.